Welcome to Vroom Vibes. When the engine roars, luxury never stops. The new Brabus Rocket GTS is more than just a tuned Mercedes. It's a complete reimagining of what a high-performance Grand Tourer can be. Based on the 2025 Mercedes-AMG SL63 S E Performance, this latest creation from Brabus ditches the soft-top convertible formula and embraces the exclusivity and aerodynamic advantage of a bespoke, fixed-roof shooting brake. Every inch of the bodywork has been stripped and replaced with handcrafted, exposed carbon fiber panels. This isn't cosmetic, it's functional. Designed and molded using high-temperature autoclave technology, the roof, fenders, doors, hood, and rear hatch are all formed with extreme precision. The result is a stunning, wide-bodied silhouette that blends muscular aggression with aerodynamic fluidity. Measuring nearly 2 meters wide and featuring massive 21 and 22-inch monoblock P Platinum Edition center-lock wheels, the Rocket GTS stands tall in both presence and poise. Integrated carbon aero blades enhance brake cooling, while a wind tunnel-tuned front splitter, flared arches, and massive rear diffuser maximize high-speed stability. The carbon ducktail spoiler and roof spoiler deliver balanced downforce, keeping this beast planted well past 300 kilometers per hour. Underneath the sculpted body, Brabus leaves no component untouched. The familiar 4.0-liter AMG V8 is stroked and re-engineered to 4.5 liters, equipped with larger turbos, forged internals, and bespoke exhaust tuning. Alone, the engine delivers a monstrous 796 horsepower and 1,250 newton-meters of torque. But Brabus takes things further by retaining the SL's hybrid rear-mounted electric motor, adding an additional 204 horsepower for a total output of 1,000 horsepower and a staggering 1,620 newton-meters of torque, electronically capped for drivetrain preservation. With all that power sent through AMG's 4MATIC plus all-wheel drive system, the Rocket GTS rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in a mind-bending 2.6 seconds, hits 200 km per hour in just 9.5 seconds, and blazes to 300 km per hour in under 24 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 317 km per hour, but the aero and chassis setup suggests even more is possible with limiter removal. The sound, too, is unforgettable, thanks to a quad titanium active exhaust system with carbon-coated tips that produces a deep, thunderous growl under throttle, yet remains refined at cruise. Inside the Rocket GTS, Brabus continues its obsession with detail, delivering a cabin that rivals the world's most exclusive luxury marques. The 2+2 layout remains, but everything you see and touch is completely reworked. Slate gray leather wraps nearly every surface, accented by Alcantara, precision-stitched diamond patterns, and the Brabus seashell quilting technique. Carbon fiber is everywhere, from the dashboard to the door trims to the center console, blending motorsport influence with luxury aesthetics. The ambient lighting is fully customizable, creating a dramatic atmosphere, especially when driving at night. The Brabus insignia is subtly integrated throughout, including illuminated door sills, embossed seatbacks, and even on the start-stop button. And thanks to the shooting brake configuration, the rear cargo area is significantly expanded, making the Rocket GTS not only blisteringly fast, but surprisingly practical for weekend trips or longer GT journeys. Exclusivity defines the Rocket GTS. Each example is hand-built in limited numbers, with production likely restricted to fewer than a handful per year. Pricing starts at approximately 945,000 euros before taxes, just over $1 million, and varies depending on individual customization. Buyers work directly with Brabus to configure paint finishes, interior materials, and fine details, ensuring that each Rocket GTS is a one-of-a-kind expression of its owner's personality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives.